I want to tell you about how to maximize your sales in Q4 on Amazon. So there's a few different things that you can do and a few different things that you should be aware of. But before we get started with this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting the bell notification so that you know when we bring out new videos. My name is Shimmy Morris and I am bringing you this video for AMZScout, and I bring out a few videos for AMZScout, and I've also got my own channel which you can go and check out. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas about how to maximize sales in Q4, and we're gonna get right into it. So, to start with, I've got some notes here which I'm going to be following just because I write all my notes down so that I don't miss anything out. But one thing that you have to be aware of are cutoff dates. Cutoff dates are very important. You want to know what the cutoff date is for sending stock into Amazon so that it reaches Amazon and it becomes available for 3 very important days. So, well, there's also 3 very important days that you have to remember. You've got Black Friday, you've got Cyber Monday, and you've got Christmas. Now, this time of year is always an epic time of year for Amazon sellers. I remember last year and the year before and the year before, and it's always amazing because you get so many sales, and if you play your cards right and you do everything right, you can get even more sales. So let's just go over some of the ways. So firstly, you've got, like I said, Cyber Monday, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Christmas. So take a note, now I haven't written them down here, but take a note of the cutoff dates of when you are able to send in stock to Amazon and it becomes available for these days. Now, last year, the Christmas cutoff date was 1st of December. So if you wanted your stock to be available by Christmas, you had to send it in before the 1st of December. Okay, now I don't know the cutoff dates for Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but to be honest, you could probably Google them, and it's probably too late now because you've got Black Friday in about a month, I believe, or just over a month. So you might just be able to send something in now. Now, another thing you have to be aware of is you have to do some inventory planning. It's super important. There's so much planning that has to be involved. You need to be checking how many sales you're getting every single day. You need to be forecasting how many sales you think you're going to get over the Christmas period, and you need to prepare for that. So for example, we just ordered a whole huge amount of stock. Literally, what's the date today? It's Wednesday. We literally ordered it on Friday. So I saw that we were not only going out of stock a bit, but we were running low. So I think we had 1,000 items in stock. And I know that over Christmas, I know how many we sell over this period of time. So I went and I made a massive order. And I'm sure that we're gonna sell out this entire order unless something happens, which I don't see why it would. So you have to check out your inventory, check out your selling history, see it day by day or week by week, and make an order that's suitable for Christmas. And if you order too many, that's fine. You'll just continue to sell it after Christmas. Don't worry about the storage fees and anything like that because they're so minimal and you do not want to run out of stock. We've run out of stock one Christmas and it was not fun. So you do not want to run out of stock. So definitely make sure you do that. Now, one thing or 2 things that you can do which are very good is you can optimize your listing. So you can optimize your listing for Black Friday, for Cyber Monday, and for Christmas. So firstly, you want to have some sort of sale going on. So you want to have a main price and a discounted price. The next thing you want to do is update your bullets to say that this is a Christmas sale, or to say it's a Black Friday sale, or it's a Cyber Monday sale. Next thing I would recommend is actually updating your description and all of these sort of things, just because you want people to know that you are using these days, you are creating some sort of sale on these days for them. You want them to know that it's for them, okay? So those are some things you can do. You can even update your images to have like a Black Friday thing. Now, some people say you shouldn't do this, some people say it's not a big deal, so I'll let you make that decision. And most importantly, you might want to sign up for some lightning deals. So check out the promotion tab on the Seller Central and click lightning deals. And once you've done that, you'll see you can sign up for some lightning deals on Black Friday and on Cyber Monday, as well as some Monday or Sunday lightning deals leading up to Christmas. Now, I know it costs to sign up and you have to offer a certain discount. So don't do it too much, but I would say for your most popular product, sign up for a lightning deal. And if it's a Christmassy product or a product that can sell more, if it's just a generic product that like a toothbrush, then there's like no reason why it would sell more over Christmas. But if it's like a product that can sell more over Christmas, then sign up for 1 or 2 lightning deals if you can. If you have that option available to you, then definitely do it. If you don't have that option available to you, then it's still okay if you update your listing and let people know about the promotion and the sales. So I think the most important, I'm just gonna summarize, I think the most important thing to take out of this video is that you want to make sure you have enough inventory in Amazon, okay? Forget the storage fees, it doesn't matter, just make sure you have enough inventory so that you are prepared for Christmas and Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Because to be honest, I know I said if you have a toothbrush or a product like that, it might not sell so well, but to be honest, this time of year, these next 3 months, they are literally just shopping season. It doesn't matter what product you have. We have a very, very un-Christmassy product, yet we sell tons over Christmas. So it doesn't matter what the product is really. This is a buying season. People are in a buying mood. Everyone is buying. So that's what you can do. Now, just a quick little thing before I end the video, what you could do is you could actually raise your prices. Because the shopping season is so mad, you could potentially raise your prices, still have a sale there, so show the original price, and slightly raise your price by $1 or $2, and you'll see you'll still get tons of sales and you'll make even more money. So let me know what you thought about this video. Leave a comment down below if you have some ideas for how to maximize profit in Q4, in the Christmassy period, in the shopping season. Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So my name is Shimmy Morris. I have my own YouTube channel as well, which you can check out. It will be the link in the description. I make Amazon videos, business videos, how to make money videos, that sort of thing. And yeah, so I'm bringing you this video for AMZScout. I've got a few videos for AMZScout on their channel, so you can check them all out. But for now, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in another video.